Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Clair, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Shenandoah, Millersville, Mahanoy City, Frackville, St. Clair, Orwigsburg, Port Carbon, Tuscarora, New Philadelphia, Marlin, and Altamont. Radar has indicated rotation within this severe thunderstorm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 121 to 130. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Here is the regional weather forecast.